Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can get MVL or Mass Vehicle Ledger using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section, and at the wallet section on the top of the screen you should see these four buttons: the send, receive, buy, and swap. Now if you want to get MVL, you can either buy them or receive them. So tap on the one that you choose, and in the search bar just start typing in MVL, and it's going to pop up. As you can see, MVL is the short name and Mass Vehicle Ledger is the name. And when you tap on it, it's going to generate your own personal QR code, and with this QR code you can receive MVL coins immediately. You can also use the QR code to scan it for yourself. If you have coins in different wallet, you can transfer them to your Trust Wallet this way, so you have all your assets in one place. You can also tap on the copy icon, which is going to copy your Trust Wallet address, and you can use that for transfers as well. And the second icon is a very interesting feature where you can type in an exact amount of coins, let's say 385, and when you tap on confirm, Trust Wallet is going to generate a new QR code for you, and with this new QR code you can receive this exact amount of coins, 395 in this case, which is a great way for transactions or payments where you actually need to receive an exact amount. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.